In a world ruled by banks, governments, and centralized systems, money was always controlled by a select few. But what if money could exist without them? What if it could be global, secure, and entirely digital? This is the story of how crypto was born, the story of Bitcoin, blockchain, and a revolution no one saw coming. The year was 2008. The world was in crisis. The global financial meltdown had shaken economies to their core. Banks were failing, and people's savings were vanishing overnight. Amid the despair, a question emerged. Who really controls our money? Then, from an obscure corner of the internet, a 9-page document appeared, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Its author? Unknown. A name attached? Satoshi Nakamoto. Whether a person or a group, the world may never know. Satoshi introduced something entirely new: blockchain, a digital ledger that is transparent, immutable, and decentralized. Every transaction verified by thousands of computers worldwide. Money was no longer just paper or coins. It had become code, a system the world had never seen before. In 2009, the Bitcoin network officially launched. The very first block, the Genesis block, was mined by Satoshi. In 2010, a programmer made the first real-world Bitcoin transaction, 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. At the time, many laughed, calling it worthless. But as more people experimented with Bitcoin, its potential became undeniable. Peer-to-peer transactions, secure, fraud-resistant, and independent of banks. Developers and enthusiasts saw a glimpse of the future of finance. Slowly, Bitcoin gained recognition and value. By December 2017, Bitcoin had reached nearly $20,000, shocking the world. Suddenly, everyone was talking about crypto. Governments, investors, and tech enthusiasts all wanted to understand it. Crypto was no longer an obscure experiment. It was a global phenomenon. Today, the crypto ecosystem goes beyond Bitcoin. It includes Ethereum, smart contracts, decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and the emerging world of Web3. Control is distributed across millions of participants worldwide. Transparency, security, and freedom coexist in this new system. At its core, crypto is not just technology. It is an idea that challenges traditional finance and asks a simple question: can we create a fairer, freer, and more accessible financial system? This question continues to inspire innovators, investors, and dreamers globally. From a mysterious PDF, a pseudonymous creator, and a few early believers, emerged a movement capable of redefining money itself. This is the story of crypto, a story of mystery, innovation, and a revolution that is only just beginning. The future is decentralized, and the possibilities are endless.